Hey, excuse me, are you Anna?
Oh, hi, David. Right. Long time no see.
Yes, wow, it's been years. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good, just finished my morning run.
Nice. You look healthy and happy.
Thanks. How was your day so far?
Really good. I had breakfast at the cafe nearby.
Oh, I love that place. What did you have?
Just some toast and coffee.
What about you?
I only had coffee. I woke up late.
Still the same old David.
Yeah, nothing much has changed. How's work these days?
Busy, but I like it. I'm teaching English now.
That's great. You always love the languages.
Yeah, what do you do now?
I'm working as a designer at a small studio.
Wow, that sounds fun.
It is. The team is nice and we make cool projects.
Are you still living in the same area?
Yes, not far from here.
Cool, maybe we can meet again for coffee sometime.
Sure, let's do that next weekend.
Perfect. It was really nice seeing you again.
Me too. Have a great day.
Bye, take care.
This coffee shop is so nice.
Yeah, I come here a lot.
So, how was your trip to Japan?
It was amazing. Japan is such a beautiful country.
Really? Where did you go?
I visited Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka.
Wow, that sounds great. What did you do there?
I went sightseeing, took pictures, and tried so much food.
What food did you like most?
Ramen and sushi, they were delicious.
I love sushi too. Was it expensive?
Not really. Street food in Japan is cheap and tasty.
Nice. Did you meet any local people?
Yes, everyone was very polite and helpful.
That's good to hear. Did you buy any souvenirs?
Yeah, I bought green tea and some small gifts for friends.
Oh, that's so thoughtful. Oh, that's so thoughtful.
For 10 days, I didn't want to leave.
I can imagine. Which city was your favorite?
Kyoto for sure. It's peaceful and full of history.
I want to visit Japan someday too.
You should. I can help you plan the trip.
Deal. Let's go together next year.
Sounds perfect.
Hi, Jack. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. I wanted to ask, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. She's 2 years younger than me.
Oh, nice. Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone in the city.
Do you visit your parents often?
Yes, almost every weekend. My mom always cooks for me.
That's sweet. Are you married?
No, not yet, but I have a girlfriend.
Really? What's her name?
Her name is Lucy. She's very kind and funny.
How long have you been together?
Almost 3 years now.
Wow, that's a long time. Do you plan to get married?
Maybe next year. We're still thinking about it.
That's nice. I'm happy for you.
Thanks. What about you? Are you single?
Yes, I'm single. I'm not seeing anyone right now.
I see. Do you want to get married someday?
Yes, maybe in the future. Not now.
That's a good plan. Family is important, but work matters too.
I agree. My parents always tell me to find someone who makes me happy.
They're right. Happiness is the most important thing.
Yes, that's true.
Hey, Ben, this restaurant looks nice.
Yes, I like this place. The food is good.
What do you usually eat here?
I always get the pasta. It's delicious.
Oh, I love pasta too. Maybe I'll try it.
Good idea. What do you want to drink?
I'll take orange juice. What about you?
I'll have a cup of coffee.
You always drink coffee.
Yes, it helps me stay awake.
You should change your drink sometimes.
Well, I will try jasmine tea tomorrow then.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm really hungry.
Did you eat breakfast today?
No, I woke up late.
You always wake up late.
I know. I'll try to change.
Oh, our food is here.
Wow, it looks so good.
Yes, let's eat before it gets cold.
Wow, it's such a nice evening.
Yes, the weather is perfect tonight.
I like walking here after work. It helps me relax.
Me too. The air feels so fresh. Do you come here often?
Almost every evening. It's close to my apartment.
That's nice. I wish I lived nearby.
Where do you live now?
About 20 minutes away. I usually come here on weekends.
Oh, that's not too far.
Yeah. How was your day at work?
Pretty busy. I had a meeting all afternoon.
Sounds tiring. What do you do again?
I work at a bank as a clerk.
Oh, right. Do you like it?
Yes, but it's a bit stressful sometimes.
I understand. My job is the same.
You work at a design office, right?
Yes, I design ads and posters.
That sounds fun. You're good with art.
Thanks, but deadlines can be hard.
I guess every job is like that.
Yeah, true. Oh, look, the sky is so clear tonight.
Wow, I can even see the stars.
Let's walk a bit more. It's really peaceful here.
Sure, I love this kind of night. Hey, are you lost?
Yeah, I think so. I'm trying to find the museum.
The museum? It's not far from here.
Oh, really? I've been walking for a while.
I see, you went the wrong way.
Oh no. Can you tell me how to get there?
Sure, go straight down this street.
Okay, straight down. Then what?
Then turn right at the gas station.
Turn right at the gas station. Got it.
After that, walk past the bakery and the post office.
Past the bakery and post office. Okay,
You'll see the museum on your left side.
perfect. Is it near the big park?
Yes, right across from the park.
That's great. How long does it take to walk there?
Maybe 10 minutes. It's not too far.
Good. I'll walk then.
Do you want me to show you the way?
Oh, are you going there too?
Yes, I can guide you.
That's so kind. Thank you.
No problem. It's easy for me. I ride here every day.
That's nice. You must know all the streets.
Pretty much. Be careful when crossing.
I will. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
Thanks. Have a safe ride.
What time do you wake up?
I get up at 6. How about you?
I usually wake up at 7.
7 is not bad.
Do you eat breakfast after that?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you usually have?
Just toast and milk, sometimes fruit.
That's healthy. I only drink coffee.
You should eat something too.
Maybe, but I'm always in a hurry.
Do you do any exercise in the morning?
Yes, I stretch for 10 minutes, then walk here.
That's a good habit. I want to do that too.
You should. It makes you feel fresh all day.
That's great.
And you, what time do you go to bed?
Around 10 or 10:30.
Wow, you sleep early.
Yeah, I like waking up early. What about you?
I go to bed after midnight. I watch videos before sleeping.
That's why you wake up late.
I know. I'll try to sleep earlier.
That will be good for your health.
So, what do you usually do on weekends?
I like to sleep longer and cook breakfast at home.
That sounds nice.
I sometimes go shopping or meet my friends.
Oh, that's fun. Do you ever travel on weekends?
Yes, sometimes I go to the beach with my family.
Wow, that's great. By the way, what's your hobby?
I love reading books. I also love listening to music. How about you?
I enjoy swimming and playing badminton.
That's cool. We both have healthy hobbies.
By the way, these cookies are so good.
Do you like them? My mom made them this morning.
That's great.
Hi, do you have a minute?
Sure. What's wrong?
I'd like to take a day off tomorrow.
Oh, really? Why do you need a day off?
It's a small family matter. I need to help my parents.
I see. Did you finish your work for today?
Almost. I just need one more hour.
That's fine. Can you send the sales report before you go?
Yes, I'll send it this afternoon.
Good. What about the client emails?
I replied to all of them this morning.
Perfect. When will you come back to work?
The day after tomorrow. I'll be back early in the morning.
All right, you can take the day off.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Family always comes first.
I'll make sure everything is ready before I leave.
That's great. Have a good rest and take care of your family.
I will. Thank you again.
You're welcome. See you soon.
See you. Have a nice day. Hi, excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I think I have a cold. My throat hurts and I can't stop sneezing.
I see. Do you also have a fever?
A little, yes. I feel tired too.
All right, you can take this cold medicine. It helps with fever and sore throat.
Should I take it after meals?
Yes, take one pill after each meal.
Okay. Can I take it with water or milk?
With water only, please.
Got it. How many days should I take it?
3 days should be fine. If you don't feel better, see a doctor.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Get some rest and drink warm water.
I will. Thanks again. Have a nice day.
You too. Hope you feel better soon.
Hello, are you going to Tokyo?
Yes, I am. What about you?
Yes, me too. It's my first time there.
Oh, really? That's exciting. You're going to love it.
I hope so. I've heard so many good things about Tokyo.
It's a beautiful city, very modern, but also full of culture.
Are you from Japan?
No, but I live in Tokyo now. I work there.
That's nice. What do you do?
I work in a hotel. I'm a receptionist.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
Yes, I enjoy meeting people from many countries. I'm going for vacation. I'll stay for 1 week.
That's great. What do you plan to see?
I want to visit Tokyo Tower and Shibuya Crossing. Good choice. You should also visit Asakusa and try some sushi. Yes, I saw videos. It looks amazing. You'll love it. Just remember to bring a light jacket. It can get cool in the evening. Thanks. I packed some warm clothes too. Smart.
Taxi!
Oh, sorry about that.
Yes, this is the taxi I booked.
Oh, is it?
Yes, the hotel arranged it for me.
I'm really sorry. I thought it was just a regular taxi.
No problem. So, may I take the taxi then?
Of course. It's actually for you, and sorry for the confusion. Where are you heading, by the way? I'm going to the shopping center in York.
Really? I was planning to go there too.
Oh, what a coincidence.
If you don't mind, you could share the ride with me.
Are you sure?
Of course. Thank you very much.
All right then, let's get in.
Ron, what are you doing here? I'm studying for a test I have next week. How's it going? Not really. Well, I still have a whole book to go through. Wow, that's a lot. Do you want to take a break? Maybe grab a coffee or something? I don't know. I really need to study. Come on, you're clearly not making much progress. You need a short break. Yeah, I guess you're right. What kind of coffee do you usually drink? Actually, I'm more of a tea person. Really? What kind of tea do you like? I love matcha. I've never tried matcha before. You're missing out. Let's go. I'll make you try it today. All right, I'm in.
Oh my God, why do I even have to study this hard?
Just to become an engineer like you always wanted?
Thanks for reminding me. By the way, which company do you want to work for?
I'm not sure yet. I was actually thinking about owning my own company.
Wow, ambitious, aren't we?
Nah, I just don't want to work for others, you know.
Yeah, I know. You're the worst team player ever.
Hey, I'm kidding. Well, at least you're leaving this city.
There's not much to do here as an engineer.
Yeah, I might move to California.
That far?
Well, I think it would be good for my career.
True. What about you? Where are you going to go?
I don't know. Probably New York. That's nice, but isn't that really far from your family?
Yeah, but they don't mind.
That's great.
What are you doing, Laura?
I'm writing.
Writing? Why are you always writing?
Oh, didn't I tell you? I'm trying to pursue a career in journalism.
You're going to be a journalist? How come I didn't know about this?
I haven't told anyone yet.
Why not?
I'm just trying it out, you know?
That's cool.
Yeah, I can always do something else later if I want to.
That's true. Who are you working for right now?
Just a small tabloid. Hopefully, I'll be able to work for a fashion magazine next year.
Oh yeah, I remember you've always been interested in fashion.
Yeah, fashion and writing.
Then working for a fashion magazine sounds perfect for you.
I think so too. I just don't know if I'm good enough.
Don't worry, I believe in you.
Thank you, Todd.
Let me know when you publish any articles.
All right, I'll support your work.
That's so nice of you.
Excuse me, how can I help you? You've been standing here for quite a while.
Oh, my house is over there, but I can't cross the road. The cars are moving so fast.
I see. The traffic here is always terrible. Would you like me to cross the road with you?
That would be great. Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. I like helping other people, especially the elderly and children.
You're a good girl. You make me miss my grandmother. I haven't seen her for years.
Why is that?
She lives abroad with my uncle. I think I'll go home and make a video call with her right away. You should do that. I'm sure your grandmother will be very happy. Thank you. Can you get home by yourself? Of course I can.
I'm going to the corner store. Do you want anything?
Wait, where are you going?
The corner store, 7-Eleven. Do you want anything?
Yeah. I'd like a loaf of bread.
A loaf of bread. Okay, I'll be right back.
Wait, there was something else.
A loaf of bread and something else?
Oh, right. A roll of tissues.
Good thing you said that. We're out of tissues. Okay, I'll be right back.
Wait. Can you check if they have today's newspaper?
I think they're probably out by now. If they have it, great. If not, don't worry about it.
All right, I'll be back.
Oh yeah, I just remembered something. Can you get me some toothpaste? Toothpaste? Yes, mint flavor. Okay, I'll be back. And a large box of laundry soap. Do you have a pen? Yeah, here you go. I'd better write this down. Okay. Bread, tissues, newspaper if they have it, soap. Oh, one more thing. A light bulb for my closet. A light bulb? Yes, thank you. Sure, see ya.
Juanita, I have some bad news.
Bad news? What is it?
I can't go to the dinner tomorrow.
You can't go to dinner? Why not?
I forgot I have a dentist appointment.
Oh, that's not a big problem. Just cancel it.
I can't.
Sure you can. Just call the dentist and cancel.
No, you don't understand. He's a very popular dentist. It would take me another month to get a new appointment.
Wow. Why are you going to the dentist? Are you in pain?
No, I need to have a cavity filled.
That's no problem. I can fill it for you right here.
What?
That's okay. I was just really excited about going to dinner with Al.
I know, I feel terrible about it.
It's okay. Are you free on Friday?
Yeah, Friday evening.
Me too. Maybe we can move the date to Friday.
That's a good idea.
I'll call Al and see if we can postpone it until Friday.
That sounds perfect.
All right, everyone, let's get started. We have a lot to cover today. First, let's talk about the new marketing campaign. Sure, we also have a few important projects to discuss. All right, I'd like to hear everyone's ideas and updates. What's the priority for today? Are we focusing on the new clients? Yes, let's focus on the new marketing campaign first. We need to finalize the strategy by the end of the week. Sounds good. I have some ideas to share. We could use social media more actively. Great, let's hear them. We should try to think outside the box. And don't forget to consider our budget. Yes, we need to use our resources efficiently. We also need to inform our current clients. Should we do that today? Yes, but let's finish the marketing campaign first. After that, we can update our clients. I'll start writing the strategy document. Everyone, please send me your ideas by the end of the day.
Alex, can you help me move this rug? I think Buddy's fur is all over it.
Sure, Dina. Let's roll it up and take it outside to shake it.
Do you ever feel like we're just moving dirt around?
No matter how much we clean, it always comes back.
That's just life, Dina. But it's worth it to have a clean house.
Yeah, and it's kind of nice to see everything neat and tidy.
I guess so. It also feels good to help out.
Exactly. And once we're done, we can relax and enjoy the weekend.
How about we finish quickly and then take Buddy for a walk later?
That sounds great. I'll vacuum the living room while you dust the shelves.
This place is really starting to shine.
We should do this more often. It does feel good, doesn't it?
Yeah, and it's nice that everyone is helping.
It's a team effort.
Maybe we should make this a weekly thing.
I like that idea. The house stays clean and we get family time together.
Good morning, Julia. Thank you for being here on time.
Good morning, David. Of course, the rest of the team should be here in a few minutes.
Great. That gives me a moment to set up my laptop.
Good idea. You are presenting the sales numbers today, right?
Yes, I have a short presentation ready.
Excellent. I am looking forward to seeing it.
I just need to connect my laptop to the big screen, but I have a small problem.
Problem? What is it?
I don't have the right cable to connect my computer.
Oh, what kind of laptop do you have?
It's a new model. It only has these small USB-C ports.
Ah, I see. And the projector cable is the old big HDMI type.
Exactly. I forgot to bring my adapter. I am so sorry.
Don't worry about it. These things happen with new technology.
But the team needs to see my charts.
I have a solution. Can you email me your presentation right now?
Email it to you? Yes, of course.
I will open it on my laptop. My computer is already connected to the screen.
Oh, that is a great idea. Thank you, Julia.
No problem at all. Just tell me when to change the slide.
I am sending the email now. Okay, it's